the SBI First T20 Women's World Cup. Cricket for the blinds. They were the better side yesterday. Let's take a quick look at the points table.
Yes, India, as we mentioned, up there, they are into the semi-finals. The toss time here in game today. Nepal taking on Pakistan. You can spin it. Tails is the call. Heads has come down. So there you go. Nepal has won the toss and elected to field first.
First ever Women's T20 Cricket World Cup for the Blind 2025. It is two amazing teams that are clashing against each other. There we see Isha Faisal. Totally, yes.
ඔවුන්ට කිසිම දෙයක් පේන්නේ නැහැ. B1 ක්‍රීඩිකාවන් 4 දෙනෙක් ක්‍රීඩා කළ යුතුයි.
Vice captain, strong batter, already have scored a 230 double century against Sri Lanka. She got that, and with her is Jahangir. First ball, Nepal versus Pakistan. And Mehreen Ali off the mark. First ball towards point. And totally, Kanti Yogi. The runner is allowed because they can see only until 2 meters within the retina of the eye to any object. And that's nicely played away towards fine leg. That's running away to the boundary. Will that be the first boundary? Yes!
අපි සුබපතනවා හැමදෙනාටම.
I'll tell you what. Now that's a good shot again towards backward of square leg.
අපි හැමදාමත් කියන්නේ මේ මෙවැනි තරගාවලියක් විකාශනය කිරීම සුවිශේෂී වැදගත්කමක් තුනා. ඉතින් ජාත්‍යන්තර තරග පවත්වූ ක්‍රීඩා පිටකයට ප්‍රසිද්ධයි නිදහස් වෙළඳ කලාපයේ ක්‍රීඩා පිටිය.
Yes, that's in the gap as well. Dilisara Damala trying her level best to contain the runs down. The only point now is to stop those singles to be converted into two. Chance of a run out here. Oh, they're missing that opportunity, but still the run out is it inflicted. Anish wants to check it. Jahangir. It should be Mariam Jahangir now on the run out. Busara Ashraf, where is she? She's not in the frame yet. She does not come in the frame yet. She does come in, but did she land the bat very correctly? No, there you go. Busara Ashraf. Oh.
මිනිස්සුකාරයට යොමු වෙනවා රූපවාහිනී මිනිසුරු මෙන්න දෙවිගේ
මේක මේ වගේ අවස්ථාවන් උදා වුණාට පස්සේ ඒ වගේ අවස්ථාවන් වලට අවශ්‍ය ඒ දායකත්වය ලබා දෙන්න අපි හැම වෙලේම අපකප වෙලා ඉන්නවා.
ඒකම මේ අපිත් එක්ක එකතු වෙන විශේෂ අවස්ථාවයි the mayor of this area.
Wow, thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for coming.
We need a few words from you.
Match we can say in the league competition.
You need to support each other. You need a lot of teamwork as Mehreen Ali goes down on one knee and sweeps it, but brilliant bit of work.
වෙන වෙනම අවස්ථාව තේරුම් ගෙන ක්‍රීඩා කිරීම ඉතාමත් වැදගත්.
There you go, she goes down on one knee. That has been played beautifully into the gap. Run out with the very first wicket. Well, that's the second wicket.
මීටත් වඩා වේගයක් අපේක්ෂා කරා පන්දුවේ.
Rimsha Shabir, very important wickets, getting a B1 batter. Now there you go, Bushra Ashraf.
Here at this ground the other day, and now going towards a half century. The fielder gets the body in the way, but they'll cross over for a single.
ඇස්වල පළඳගෙන තිබෙනවා ලොකු ආවරණ දෙක.
That's a good shot. That's running down. That's for the stumps. You could see with a hand, but Ali hits it over the fielder. The fielder could get in line. Fielded on the boundary. The throw comes in. Run out. The throw came in and hit the stumps. See, Ali creases. Ashraf creases. Yes, Ashraf is out, I think.
හෝරියා මලික් B2 ක්‍රීඩිකාවක්.
I mean, last 5 overs, very crucial for Pakistan. They need to try and maximize. That's a good shot and good effort from the third. 130 for the loss of 3 wickets, and it looks like another run out.
In 3 run outs. And Isha does not put it across. Another dot ball, oh, run out again. It's another run out. Isha. Humid sun. Bushara Ashraf doesn't go back in time. And Binita Pun, the captain of Nepal, inflicting that with another direct hit. Wow. 17 overs gone, and Isha Faisal goes for 0.
For Pakistan in this tournament, very good left-hand bat.
Yeah, goes down the wicket, punches it through, covers. She will be happy with that single towards long off. Oh, there is a second run attempt. Why? Why Amreen Tariq? Why? Another run out.
very good wicket keeping. This time she goes down on one knee and sweeps it. Probably looking for a second run. There is a chance of a run out, but they make it on time. Very good running between the wickets.
Wants to check the run out. The running between the wickets, the short run was okay, but here, again, the problem of not dragging the bat in was not in the air.
Long time. The benefit of the doubt usually goes to the batter, not this time.
That's why another run out. So Nusrat Batrul goes for 4, 155 for 7 now.
4 overs, close to 2 hours. She should be very tired, Naveen.
Because whatever comes off the bat will be double runs. No, that was on the legs. What a finish. You're batting second. That is what is going to happen. When you're batting second, this 159, really figure out and rectify with. Bowling card looks good. All the B1 bowlers here, very well put across. So, Nepal needs 159.
And that was a very good score. Starting off down the leg side, and there you go. The first ball has been smashed to the boundary. Again hit down the ground towards mid-on. That's going down to the boundary. Will she get it in? I'm sure there will be a third umpire's review on that. I think this is a better angle, Sena. I think she got the ball in. That's what we could see. We will wait for umpire Ravi.
Only runs.
So that's a very good decision. Yes. Crack down the ground. That's a no ball. And it could be 4 runs. That's very well punished for 4 runs.
මීට පෙර නෝ බෝල් පන්දු සංඥා වුණේ පන්දු යවන්නගේ සංඥාව ලබා දුන්නා. ඒ කොහොමදත් පිටේ විනිසුරන් නෝ බෝල් හැට සංඥා කරා.
Through the offside, we'll come back to that. That's
මෙතන සිට ලබාගත හැකි ඉලක්කයක වුන් සිටින්නේ. තවත් ඩ්‍රයිව් හරක් කෙලෙනවා පොයින්ට් කලාපේ ඔස්සේ පන්දු ජාතික කර්තව්‍යයන් වලට අතීත ලබා දෙනවා. ලෝක කුසලානේ 96 දිනගත්තත් ජාතික රූපවාහිනිය සජීවී ඔබත් එක්ක හිටියා. අපිත් හිටියා.
ඉනි මේ ලබාගෙන තිබෙනවා. දඬුවම් ලකුණු 12ට හැරුණකොට මේ ලබාගෙන තිබෙන ආරම්භය තමයි ඉනිම නිර්මාණය කරගන්නේ.
Rizdan Gish, she goes for a reverse sweep. There is no protection in the third man region. There is a player.
මෙන්න පන්දුවාරයේ අවසන් පන්දුව. යාලිත් වරක් රිවර්ස් ස්වීප් පහරකට යන්නේ. පන්දුව පැමිණෙන මාවත ගැන අවබෝධයක් නැහැ. තවත් ලකුණු 4ක්.
Couple of steps down the ground. Clear intentions. Clears the mid-on fielder. That lane thrilled. There you go. See, look at Abiba. 25 deliveries down at deep fine leg.
පන්දුවාරයේ අවසන් පන්දුව. පිටිනේ පිටින්. ඒ සාරගත කිරීම.
But it's an interesting battle. Another good shot down the.
Finally, decided to participate, and we conducted training, and we even invited, the coach.
මේ පියවර සංඛ්‍යාවක් නැහැ කඳුළු තිබෙනවා. ඕනෑ තරම්. මෙන්න තවත් රිවර්ස් ස්වීප් පහරක්.
So almost along the ground. So get that power behind the shot is not easy at all, and she's done well.
Totally done well and does continue to do well. Another boundary to us.
Mention not risking that, knowing that they are a bit.
Shri Narendra Modi ji invited our team and felicitated, and that gave a big the government of Sri Lanka extended all possible support, and Sports Minister Shri Sunil Kumara has really provided all possible support, his good wishes, and
Outstanding innings under the sun and making sure she stayed there forever. Is that the winning run? Reverse shot. That's it. It's all over. Who's gone ahead and won a thriller of a contest by 10 wickets. And by far, this is the best run chase. That is what it is. Nepal winning this by 10 wickets. Binita Pun unbeaten 107. Mankeshi Chowdhury 43 unbeaten.